What's up YouTube, we're back again with another video. So if you watch my previous video, I just got a new 50k profit account with Ep9 and I'm gonna be trading that with my 15k phase 2 account. So this week I'm gonna show you guys the pairs I'm interested in for the week and then see you guys in the next clip. Let's go. These are the pairs I'm interested in for the week. We have 5 pairs right here and they are higher probability setup. So first of all, let's begin with Euro USD. So I'm Euro USD, I'm waiting for price to come all the way to this trend line, this psychological level, and also this strong area of interest. So I'm waiting for price to just come here, give me some kind of bearish engulfing, and then I'm gonna sell. So next we have AUD USD. So same thing on AUD USD, I'm waiting for price to come all the way to this zone right here. All the way to this zone right here for me to look for a sell. So next is NZD JPY. So on NZD JPY, I'm waiting for price to come all the way to this zone. As you can see, we made it, but I want price to actually dip a little bit inside this zone before I look forward to sell. Because as you can see, whenever price comes to this zone, we sell. Whenever price comes here, we sell. So I'm waiting for price to just do the same thing here, come all the way here, give some kind of price rejection, and then we're gonna sell. So our next pair is CHF JPY. So same thing on CHF JPY, I'm waiting for price to come all the way here before I sell. Next we have GBP JPY. So GBP JPY has already made it to the area of interest, so I'm just gonna go to the lower time frame, let's say 30 minutes, wait for some kind of shift of structure, confirm that price is gonna go bearish. Yeah, price is gonna sell, so I'm waiting on that. I'm gonna update you guys if I end up taking a trade right here. So these pairs are the pairs I'm gonna be interested in for the week. So I'll catch you guys in the next clip. So guys, by the way, let me just explain to you guys how my risk management is gonna be for this new 50k account. So as you all know, on my 15k account we have passed phase 1, so we're currently in phase 2. So in this phase 2 we need to make 5%, and sorry, I made 6%, so I'm risking 1.5% per trade. So also so on my new 50k account, I'm gonna be risking 2% per trade. So first of all, the maximum drawdown for this account is 10%, so we need to lose 10% total for us to lose this account. So and our daily limit is 5%. I think 5%. So currently I'm gonna be risking 2% per trade. So that means we need 5 losing trades. So I need to lose 5 times consecutively for me to lose this account. So, and I'm fine with that. So I'm gonna be risking 2% per trade, and then we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna be targeting 1 to 3. 1 to 3 risks to reward, meaning we should pass this account in 2 trades. Okay. So that's gonna be my approach for this trade. I don't really want to waste time trading this account, so I'm gonna treat it that way. So even though I'm gonna take this aggressive approach, I'm probably only gonna take high probability setup. Definitely for this approach to work, we only need high probability setup. I can't risk taking any type of setup or just testing out things on this account. So I need to focus really hard. So that's gonna be it right now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So catch you guys later.
2,000 years later.
The time is currently 12:48 a.m. a.m. So I'm just making a trade update right now before I go to sleep. So let me just show you guys how the chart looks like. First off, we have Euro USD. I'll show you guys. So let's go on the 4 hours time frame. So guys, I'm still waiting for price to pull up to this zone right here before we sell. And this price has been really slow this week, so I'm still currently waiting on that. Next we have AUD USD. So on AUD USD, I'm still waiting for price to come all the way to this zone before we sell. Also on NZD JPY, I'm still waiting for price to pull up to this zone right here before we sell. On GBP USD, so on GBP USD, I'm currently looking at to sell from this area of interest. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame. So as you can see, from 30-minute time frame, we're currently bullish at first, and then we shifted bearish, breaking this low right here. So tomorrow morning, this morning, I'm gonna be waiting for price to come all the way to this zone, get a bearish engulfing, and then we're gonna short. So I'm moving on to CHF JPY. So on CHF JPY, I'm waiting for price to come all the way to this zone right here, and then we sell. For some weird reason, I'm only looking for sales this week. Next we have GBP JPY. So yeah, on GBP JPY, I'm also looking at to sell. Let's go on the lower time frame. So as you can see from the what you call it, just can see from the 1 hour time frame, we're currently kind of bullish, or yeah, we're currently bullish. So I'm waiting for price just break below the zone, retest, and then we're gonna short. Then lastly we have, I'm not interested in this, so I'm currently only have GBP USD. The only thing I'm gonna be taking probably tomorrow is gonna be GBP USD, so I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Yo, what's up guys? Today is currently Thursday and it's 3:39 p.m. right now. Guys, I still have not taken any trade this week. This week has been very, very slow. But right now there's a lot of volatility in the market and price has not been put into an area of interest for us to even take a trade. So literally just here. This is the first time. Yeah, no, actually this is not the first time. It's been a long time since I've gone a whole week without taking a single trade. So I'm kind of not used to it here, but I'm gonna keep going. So this is a sign that I've actually been improving the whole trading space, because if you can come to the chart every single morning, look for an opportunity and you do not find one, and you still do not force any trade, that's a very, very good sign that you are making improvement. So let me just show you guys how the chart looks like right now. And yeah, so first off, remember Euro USD, still price has still not made it to this zone, so no trade. AUD also, AUD USD also the same thing, NZD JPY also the same thing, GBP USD. So I'm actually GBP USD, I missed this trade on GBP USD. I was supposed to take the trade right about this zone after the price had kept this little area of interest giving direction golfing. I would have taken the trade, but price never did that, and then I tanked it. So I'm just gonna allow that be. Next we have CHF JPY. Still have not made it to the area of interest. Euro NZD, nothing. So right now let me just show you guys this GBP JPY. So currently this looks like the only pair that I'll be taking this week. So guys, as you can see, price has already shifted bearish, and we also have this this left head, right shoulder, and then this is the break. So I'm looking at to a retest into this area of interest right here, and then get some kind of price rejection, and then we're gonna sell. So I'm currently, this pair which is on GBP JPY looks like the only pair that we're going to be taking this week. That's if I even see my entry criteria, because today is already Thursday, so I really don't know. So guys, whatever happens, I'm going to update you guys. If I end up taking a trade on JPY, I'm going to show you guys. And one lesson you should take from this video, if you don't learn anything from this video, you should take this. If you go a whole week without taking a setup, it's also a win. Instead of coming to the chart and then forcing a trade or taking unnecessary setups and then you lose, what's the point? You rather wait for that clean A setup for you to take and make money. So currently that's gonna be it right now, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Yo, what's up guys? So today is Saturday, and yeah, so this whole week actually I've never taken a trade this week. Can you believe that? No single trade this week. My setups was non-existent. So right now let me just show you guys how the chart looks like, because it's actually already Saturday, but let me just show you guys what happened and why I didn't take a trade. So first off guys, we have Euro USD. So Euro USD, as you can see, price finally made it to the area of interest on Friday, but it was Friday, so there was no way I could take a trade on Friday. And even though I was waiting for price to actually break and retest this zone before I could sell, but price never did that, so never took any trade. So I'll probably be taking this trade next week. Yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys in next week's vlog. So GBP USD also, price finally made it to the area, but I was waiting for the break and retest of the zone. We never had that, so I never took any trade. AUD USD, price never even made it to the area. For the whole week we have just been coming down, and then never pulled up to the area of interest. And then we have NZD JPY, price never still made it to the area, we never took a trade. CHF JPY, we never made it to the area, no trade. GBP JPY, we made it to the area, but I didn't get my entry, so I just ignored this pair. And lastly we have Euro NZD. So Euro, okay, I was not actually looking at Euro NZD. Guys, those were the players I was looking at for this week to trade, but I couldn't take any single trade this week because the setup did not work. I'm gonna be posting the PNL on the screen right here, and then I'll catch you guys in the next clip. So see you.